Do you want to know how to write social media posts so that there will be a lot of prospects coming into your network marketing business? In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can write exactly the right social media posts so that they will come to you, become your prospect, and start getting interest in your product. So let's keep on watching. So let's start with tip number one. The idea number one is let's bring in your lifestyle. What do I mean by that? Okay, so a lot of people use their Facebook to just post random stuff. Maybe their cat, their dog life, their baby life, which is great. And this is exactly the right kind of content that people are expecting from using Facebook. However, if you want to start making some sorts of money, you probably could utilize your personal profile a little bit more efficiently. So, for example, you can start setting out a goal that is 30 days from now, 60 days, or 90 days from now. Set a timeline. Okay, this timeline you will then announce it to everybody, writing something like this: hey everyone, I'm gonna start a workout routine that I'll be doing every single day so that I can lose my belly fat. Are you guys with me? Are you guys down? Keep on reading my posts so that you guys will see my result in 30 days, 60 days, or etc. Now, I don't know if you guys kind of feel it, but I'm not mentioning any sorts of MLM product at all. In this post, you're trying to trigger in the interaction, the involvement, the like, the comment, the sharing, etc. You want to let people actually start looking at your posts more frequently. So once you have that ball rolling, we can then go on to tip number two, which is the lifestyle throughout the time. Okay, so what do I mean by that? So on a daily basis, maybe not so much posting what you have been looking like, because we all know workout routine doesn't change your body right away. Maybe once a week, you can post like the diet that you've been eating for the breakfast, lunch, and dinner, what you've been eating for the whole week, and like the sort of workout that you have been doing. Like that is the lifestyle post you can start posting. Mix and match between those ones that you already are posting, about your pets, about your children, about your family, your dating life, or traveling, etc. These things are great to, mix into your daily posting. Once you get that going, they will start, tagging you. They will start talking about, hey, Simon has been going to, uh, you know, to the mountain. I don't know if there's mountains in Toronto. There's no mountains in Toronto, but there's the lake, Lake Ontario. So Simon's been going there, jogging every day with his dogs. What else has he been doing? Something like that. I'm sure you guys can come up with great, better idea, because Toronto doesn't have a lot of places to go. But if you guys are living in Vancouver, BC, California, Miami, those other places, even Asian countries, a lot of places are fun. If you're there, post them, write about them. Okay, so that's tip number two, the idea number two. Now for the idea number three, which is the before and after photos after the workout routine / the product that you've been using. Okay, so this is the most important part. Now that you have triggered their interest, you can then tell them exactly what your changes have been. Now, these posts, you can then say, now, in addition to the workout routine, in addition to the diet change, I've also been implementing certain product. It could be a supplement, it could be a training machine, it could be some sort of like massage machine, whatever. You don't mention the name of it, but you say that you have been using this to accompany with your workout routine, for example. And ask the question. Ask people this question. Do you want to know what product I have been using? Leave a comment down below and I will tell you exactly what I've been using. This is to trigger their curiosity. Because we all know that we can't just work out and expect the result to show up, right? That is impossible, at least for me. It's still taking a while for me to lose weight, mainly because of my body type and the lack of exercise that I can't be doing because of the quarantine time or the self-isolation in Toronto. But if you can take some other stuff like some other supplements or using some sort of tools to facilitate the result, and people do see the result, your post, your friends who are watching or who are reading your posts and interacting with you will definitely become really, really interested in what you've been using. So that is how I write my social media post and triggering more prospects to ask me, Simon, what exactly are you doing? If you want to get all these post idea, I want to show you how you can actually get it. So I'm quickly go to my screen right now. Now, as you can see, we're at a messenger. I want you guys to type in or just click the link in the description below, the first link in the description. This is the free MLM post link. Once you click on that, it will take you to a messenger link that looks somewhat like this. You could also see a pop-up like this. Once you have that, you can just click absolutely. My free MLM post idea will then be sent out directly into your messenger inbox. So you don't even have to worry about, okay, what am I gonna write? Because you will see my messenger and the bot will automatically flow out every single day for the next 12 days, yes, 12 days, that you click on this absolutely link, then you can write stuff. And you don't have to worry about running out of ideas. And I hope this really, really helps you. If you guys think you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell right beside it. It's extremely important you hit that notification bell because you will then get notified for my latest video ideas. Now, if you haven't watched what I have been talking about, network marketing tips, the whole playlist is actually right here. You can actually watch the whole entire thing right here. Now the next video will be popping out right in this square over here, right in this quadrant right over here. You can then keep on watching and see if you can successfully bring up your network marketing, your MLM business or home business to another level by following my video idea. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys the next time. Peace out. Take care.